The Transport Department has issued a public notice strictly prohibiting the renting of private two-wheelers and four-wheelers for commercial purposes. The notification comes in the wake of a police investigation into the murder of Indore native Raja Raghuvanshi, revealing that he, along with his wife Sonam Raghuvanshi, and the three accused in the alleged murder of Raja, had rented two-wheelers from Shillong to travel to Sohra and commit the crime. This is to inform the general public that engaging in the business of renting out private two-wheelers and four-wheelers for commercial purposes is strictly prohibited in the state of Meghalaya, stated David D. Sangma, Commissioner of Transport, in the notice issued on June 13th. Sangma clarified that rent-a-motorcycle or rent-a-cab schemes have not yet been implemented in the state, and therefore no individual or organization is authorized to run such services. He further pointed out that such practices violate provisions of the Motor Vehicles Act, 1988, particularly Section 66, which prohibits the use of any vehicle as a transport vehicle without a valid permit. The Commissioner added that under Section 192A, unauthorized commercial use of private vehicles is punishable with fines and imprisonment. Moreover, Section 207 empowers authorities to seize vehicles operating in violation of permit rules. Anyone found violating these provisions, either by operating or advertising rental services, will face legal action, including fines, imprisonment, and vehicle seizure, the notice warned, emphasizing that the order was issued in public interest. The development has also raised serious concerns, especially regarding individuals allegedly operating illegal two-wheeler rental service in areas like Keating Road.